How can phones and medical devices be so small? It's all thanks to surface-mounted PCB boards. Understand why they are the cornerstone of electronics manufacturing in just 1 minute. 1. What are surface-mounted PCB boards? Unlike traditional through-hole boards with drilled holes, they feature flat precision pads. Components are directly mounted on the board surface and can be installed on both sides, directly driving device miniaturization. 2. Why did it become mainstream? Ultra miniaturization. Components as small as 0.2 mm allows 5 to 10 times more components in the same space. High efficiency. Machines place tens of thousands of components per hour, with double-sided assembly saving labor. Superior performance. Short leads reduce interference, offering better high-frequency and thermal management. 3. Core manufacturing process. Solder paste printing, high-speed component placement, reflow soldering, multi-stage inspection, SPI plus value plus X-ray plus electrical testing to ensure quality. For surface-mounted PCB boards, choose Kaboer, making your product smaller and more reliable.